Hello, YouTube subscribers. I've been spending a day at the in-laws with the kids.
We're planting pumpkins.
Woohoo!
So the first thing we need to do is upturn the soil so there's actually air in the soil, or else your plants will die.
And that way the soil is loose. It's easier to get the seeds in.
How many seeds are in here? Enough that I don't have to count.
And so we don't know the spacing. We should look at the package.
It says 2 to 3 seeds per mound. Okay.
All right. So we're going to keep the packet there so we know what's growing in that spot. So 2 to 3 seeds.
Mm-hmm. 2 to 3 seeds. What's a mound?
That's just, a little hump, little bump. So we can do a couple of them. Try to get my...
Like this one? Put them in here?
Yep.
So you take your pointer finger or your pinky finger if you're an adult, because I'm a child.
What you grown?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. And you're on a YouTube video right now. Say hi, YouTube.
Wait, this is you? Yay!
So, you take your pointer finger if you're a child, or like your pinky or your ring finger if you're an adult, and you just like stick it in the soil. And then you get dirt all up in your nail.
Guys, thank you for 20-some subscribers. I believe we're at 30.
These are Jack B. Little pumpkins. I don't know what that means. I think it's literally just influencing tiny children.
Guys, later today, we might do another YouTube video of me playing Roblox. We might. Comment down what I should play. Some good games, what I should play.
Yeah, and then maybe, like, I could probably, find you there, too.
Yeah,
because I could download it on Mom's phone.
I don't think that's where you're supposed to be watering, dude.
and you can also friend us.
Yes. We will show you our accounts.
Yeah. I already showed them mine a lot of times. Zebra Boy, B-O-I-I-I.
Mine is Marie3059, and there's a bee that's attacking me.
Zebra _ B-O-I-I-I.
Thankfully, it's a bumblebee bee, so it's not going to
Bumblebee.
be.
Not a wasp. Because bumblebees, they die when they sting you. Because it's like losing your butt.
Nope, not bumblebees.
Which ones?
Honeybees.
The ones in the Bee Movie?
Yep. Yeah, bumblebees don't have barbs on their butts, so they get to keep their butt and they get to sting a lot more.
Hey, Dad, come here. Actually, you know what? I'll come over there.
And what's convenient about that is you don't end up with a barb in your skin. But of course, it's inconvenient because you get stung more.
Folks at home or wherever you are, I just saw steam come out of this, so yeah. I got little.
So we're gonna leave.
Dad, can you focus
I have an
on
idea.
these? Oh, Dad.
Not right now, Will.
Okay.
I can open this up from the bottom. I can put a stick in it, and I stick it right there, and it'll show.
Excellent.
I think, you guys, sometimes. Not a lot.
I try not to, it hurts my head. So we're gonna put them in the holes, cover the holes, pat it down a bit,
Guys, also in
and
the
we'll do some
future,
watering.
we might get some foam blocks, so get ready for awesome stuff.
Hey, Will, why don't you do a small bit of watering in the dirt here?
Okay. Could you please? We gotta cover up the license plate on it. Want to see the license plate?
I need
What are those? That's not much water.
I know, I use it on.
Why don't you get my paper?
All right, scoop.
And give me a smooth stick. Mom's looking at photos with Aunt Alice. Here's a pumpkin.
That'll do.
And then
Let's see if we can find some. Ooh, I know where we can find some rocks. I'm gonna grab a few rocks to demarcate.
where we planted some.
Yep.
I know where we can find a few rocks. Let's get some small rocks.
Maybe some lakey creaky rocks.
Those are for skipping, Daddy.
Well, they're not doing much skipping in here.
Well, just these. I get to pick the rocks.
All over. We don't need a whole lot of rocks.
Hey guys, what? I think we should do like something at the end of our video. This is not the end. Disclaimer. Stay safe. Stay awesome. Stay subscribed. And Infinite List, if you could like be awesome and collab, if you could come down here.
We don't even know where he is.
He's in California.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work out.
Yeah, me neither.
Okay, enough. I mean, more the outline of the area, not the places where you put.
He was talking to me, Will.
Oh.
Okay.
Good.
What are those? Okay. And your task was to water something?
Yeah, that. I already did it. Hey guys,
Wondering what
one
now?
question. What are those?
You know, Gramps has a YouTube channel.
No, I did not.
He does.
He just posts historic stuff. It's really cool.
Well, you know, people are interested in that.
Oh, people. Look at all the pretty weeds that they don't like, but they still keep. All those pretty purple flowers.
Hey guys, I think I found a snake hole.
A snickle?
Snake hole.
Oh, a snake hole.
No, that's a chipmunk hole.
Can you like zoom in on it?
Scoot, Hannah.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
All right, we're going to cut it short because we have visitors.
Stay awesome, stay safe, and stay subscribed.